Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the 11th lesson articles. What are the articles? A, an and the. Okay. We use a and an with nouns that are singular in number. Okay. A with nouns starting with consonant, we use a. Nouns starting with vowels, we use an. And what about the? We use the when we talk of a particular person or things. Okay, we use the. Understood? Next, write a or an before the following nouns. Write a or an before the following nouns. Dash cake. A. Dash Easter egg. An. Dash honest man. An. Dash bell. A. Dash ferry. A. Dash island. A. Dash guest. A. Dash toothpick. A. Dash good idea. A. Dash angry lady. An. Understood? Next. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Can you see dash old lady crossing the road? Can you see an? Usha is dashing fast runner. Usha is a. I will place dash order for the book. I will place an. Ruby is dash brave child. Ruby is a. Do you know how to make dash eggless cake? An. There is dash glass door over here. There is a. Did you bring dash coat? Did you bring a. That is dash interesting story. That is an. I am going to make dash apple pie. An. Can you give me dash piece of chicken? A. Understood? Next. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Nathu was dash owner of a sweet shop. Was a. He kept dash lot of sweets in a glass jar. He kept a lot of sweets in a glass jar. But when little children came to ask him for sweets, he chased dash away. He chased the children away. Whenever dash child asked for dash and dash sweet, whenever a child asked for the sweet, the unkind man said, do you have a 1 rupee coin for the sweet? No? Off you go then. He ate all the sweets himself. One day the children made a plan to teach Nathu a lesson. Next, fill in the blanks with the correct options. The Titanic was dash expensive luxury cruise ship in the world. Was the most. The blue whale is dash creature in the world. The biggest. Dash is made from the seeds of the cocoa tree. Chocolate. The lion is dash of the forest. The king. I always take dash in the morning. I will always take a bath. Next. My parents grew up in the city of dash. Grew up in the city of Bhopal. Dash is building a nest on the tree. Sparrow. Most of the world's cocoa comes from dash. Africa. I did not go to school on Tuesday. Understood? Next. Let us write. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles to learn these easy recipes. Vegetable sandwich. To make a vegetable sandwich, put 2 slices of bread on a chopping board and cut off the sides, but put butter on one of the pieces. Put cucumber slice and onion rings on it. Sprinkle with the salt and pepper. Cover it with the other slice of bread. Next, orange juice. Take a couple of oranges and peel them. Take out all the seeds and put the pulp into the blender. Blender. Add 3 teaspoons of sugar. Blend well for a minute. Then strain the juice and serve it with the sandwich. Understood? For this we finished our 11th lesson, articles. Tomorrow we will see 12th lesson, verbs. Okay? Thank you.